Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I am Justice. I have never been on here before, but today I'm going to take you through my makeup routine. So please ignore the dirty makeup. Travel case, it is a staple in my everyday life, so it gets thrown around. But so here I'm just going to show you how I do my makeup for the Willow tree. When we do photo shoot days, and I am going to go a little bit darker on my face makeup and bronzer just because sometimes the lights can blur you out a little bit, if that makes sense, and can cause some flashbacks. So we make sure to just do a little bit extra just so you can see the colors coming up. And this is my go-to look for shoot days, and really any on any normal day as well. So here I'm just going to put on a reflective light brown color that photos really well, and it just picks up a lot of the warmth in eyes. Always use heat protection, ladies. Please protect your hair. Please. So since I have naturally curly hair, I do take the straightener to my roots, and especially my bangs, because I cut curly bangs in my hair, which I'm currently regretting. So if you're thinking about it, be brave, because I have to style these bad boys every single day. But today I think I was going for a straight look, a kind of straightish look. But yeah, so I have to get up in there and get the roots done. And here I'm just using a wet brush. This is literally like my favorite brush of all time. I was gonna have that coffee, so I'm headed out to work now. Gotta check. Make sure that makeup looks good in natural light, guys. So here's all the stuff that I have to take with me every single day. I had my lovely bog bag. It is one of the greatest purchases I've ever had. It fits so many things. Sorry, the camera's a little shaky. As you saw, I was carrying a bunch of different stuff. But this is our warehouse. So if you haven't ever seen it before, this is where all your goodies are at, and all the lovely people working here are packaging them up for you daily. But we are here in the back, all the models, and there's Haley and Lexi. And this is where we take all of our photos. I love this room so much. And as you can see, that bog bag was carrying down the stuff. And here is the fit for the day. I try to do something really comfortable because I'm changing in and out of clothes a lot and like running down the aisles and picking up different things. So comfy is the way to go. And I just bought this shirt the other day and I absolutely love it. So here's our little setup. And here we are going outside. We were going to do an outdoor shoot, so we wanted some wildflowers. So Haley and Lexi went to pick some wildflowers for us. We thought it would be so cute, and it was just a laughable moment them crossing the road to get them. Here's another model, Scarlett, and Chelsea in the background. She was taking some behind the scenes footage of us today. So we are loving that the warmer weather is, being so kind to us, so we can go outside and shoot things like this. And we have redone the warehouse, so we have this beautiful background, this beautiful white brick, and the trees and everything that just makes, it makes perfect photos. Okay guys, well that is going to be the end of the vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.